In the previous video, we saw that I have 3 shirts, 2 pairs of pants, 3 pairs of socks, and 2 pairs of shoes. And by the product rule for counting, this means that I have 36 outfits to choose from. And now let's see why this is the case. So the best way to see this, in my opinion, is with a tree. And so I'll start by drawing a forest, and then I'll connect them together to make a tree at the end. So I have 3 shirts to choose from. And notice that I have shirts written in blue, pants in red, socks in green, and shoes in yellow. I'll use those for our vertices in our graph. So let's start with 3 shirts. 3 shirts. Let's say here's 1, 2, 3 shirts. So these are the 3 shirts I have to choose from. Now I have 2 pairs of pants. So if I chose this first shirt over here on the left, that would mean I would have 2 pairs of pants to choose from. Same thing for this middle shirt. 2 pairs of pants to choose from if I chose that middle shirt. And the shirt on the right, if I chose that one, then I'd have 2 pairs of pants to choose from. Okay, now let's see. Now that we have all possibilities for whichever one of the shirts that I choose, now let's think, okay, now considering if I've chosen a shirt and then one of my 2 pairs of pants, now I have 3 pairs of socks. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. And now lastly, I have 2 pairs of shoes to choose from. Oops. And now you may start to see why I have so few clothes. Because if I had more clothes, then my trees would get too big. All right, and so now, if you think about this, each one of the leaves here, each one of the leaves in my trees, in one of these 3 trees that corresponds to each of the different choices I had for a shirt, each of those leaves corresponds to one of the different outfits that I could wear. All right, now I told you at the beginning I'd make a tree out of this, so this top vertice, let's consider this. This is before I choose any clothes for the day. So I can either choose that shirt or that shirt or that shirt. And then once I choose a shirt, then I have a choice of pants. Once I make a choice on pants, then I have a choice for socks. Once I have a choice on socks, then I have to make a choice for shoes. And each of these yellow vertices at the bottom, these are vertices of degree 1. Each of these leaves is the number, or each of these leaves corresponds to one of my possible outfits. And so how many leaves are there? Well, let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. There's 36. And if you think about how multiplication, what multiplication means, then you can see that, in fact, the product rule for counting works.